Hi, I'm Przemek Chojecki, CEO of Textyze, and today I'm going to present you Textyze, a simpler version of Textyze used just for repurposing content, which means compiling, summarizing, and rewriting text. And I'm going to start right away with the first screen. If you enter Textyze, you can register right now for free. We are in free trial and you can use it as much as you want. You will be able to see this screen. So what happens first is you basically have either compile or rewrite screen. Both are pretty much similar. The only difference between rewrite and compile right now is that basically rewrite accepts longer text and compile accepts links. So I will show you how it works here on the example of compile. So say I have an article that I want to summarize, or I have an article that I want to repurpose for other means. What I can do is I can paste a link here or a couple of links. Choose between abstract and extract. So the difference between abstract and extract is as explained above. Do we want to use new words, or do we want to reuse exactly the same words which were used in the article? So say I want to use new words. I have my link to this is some news about Windows 10 from TechRadar, and I click on Summarize. So I will get a summarization of the text in one line. This is what we'll get here on the right. This is working pretty fast. And here's the summarization for this particular article. I could change to extract and also click on summarize. This summarization will be a little bit different, because what will happen is that the algorithm will try to search for some sentence which is the most explainable, the most relevant to the given content. So you can have those two summarizations here. Another thing which you might do is also with abstract or extract. So using new words or reusing words is compilation. And compilation is basically taking the whole article and rewriting that using new words, or taking just some parts of the text in order to making it shorter. So I can again click compile. This takes a little bit longer. It takes from 1 to a couple of minutes depending on the length of the article itself. So we have the text right now, which was directly added after the previous two summarizations. So this happens like if you were to add another link and summarize compile, then it will be added at the end of this text. So this is the result of compilation of the text from the link. I have chosen abstract, which means the whole thing will use new words rather than reusing words which are in the article. And as you can see, you have the main points here from the article written down for you. And you can go on like that from, for example, with different sources. So for example, the standard use case would be you have a bunch of similar text and you want to compile that into one shorter piece, taking all the information possible. And then for that, you would use compilation with different articles which you either summarize or compile, and then be able to take here everything that is written here, either download that, so you can download that and you will get a text.txt file directly to your drive, or you can take that, move to your favorite text editor and edit it later on to have a great text. So this is what I wanted to show you. So another thing is like I will copy part of that to have the text and then go to rewrite. So rewrite allows me to actually paste longer text, and basically the idea is here that I use this text then to do exactly the same thing. So the difference between rewrite and compile is actually that in compile you give a link, in rewrite you give the whole text, but the same functionality works here. So again, I'm going to summarize that the text that I have passed. This is the text compiled from the article from TechRadar. And we get the summarization on the right. So again, I have the same choices between abstract and extract, and then I will have also rewrite. So as you can see, this is a little bit less descriptive than the previous summarization because the less information is given. I just gave actually the part of the compilation of the article, so much less data. We tried the extract function to show you different thing. Actually, this is actually getting pretty similar right now. So this one of the I guess one of the lines here is about that. So this is basically it when it comes to Textyze and its functionalities. It's basically for people who are writing longer text or want to use text they have already for different purposes, rewriting that, compiling into something else, or summarizing a bunch of text to have, for example, a social media post or attach a summarization in the report or in the blog post. This is a perfect way to actually summarize longer articles or reports as well. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or write directly to contact@contentize.com. That's the primary address for what we do. You can also check out the full version of the platform at contentize.com or go to Textyze and use textyze.com. This is basically how it works. Thank you for watching. There will be more tutorials coming. Stay tuned for more news.